Okay guys, so I have another fall craft for you guys and I'm so excited to show you what it is. To my channel, it's Ashley here, and if you are new, welcome. I do a lot of home decor DIYs, shop with me, thrift with me, hauls, furniture flips, you name it, I do it. So if those are things that you like, make sure you click on that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll always be up to date with my latest tutorial. First of all, let me just say, I'm at like over 6,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all my new people that hit that subscribe button after that pumpkin video. You guys loved that pumpkin video. I mean, thank you guys so much for that. I got over 2K likes on that. What? All the comments, they were amazing. So make sure to stay to the end to see if your comment made it into the shout out section, because literally you guys are amazing. So today, our craft is going to be super easy, budget friendly. You know, that's how I like to keep it. I mean, there's nothing else that I can say, but it's fall. And who doesn't love fall? Another thing, if you've been with me for a long time, you already know that this setting back here is new. That's because we are in our apartment that we got here in Atlanta. We're not in our home in Charleston right now. If you're new, we are in the process of selling our house. So that's up on the market. We've been having a lot of people come out, not to mention Hurricane Florence. So we haven't even been there for about maybe a week and a half. So now we're up here in Atlanta, in our new apartment. That this room is very empty. It's probably going to be very echoey when I put this video up, so guys, bear with me, please. So anyways, let's get into the video. The materials you're going to need for this project are one 1x3x8 board, one 1x2x8 board, wooden letters, gold leaf trivet, and decorative hardware. So the first thing that I'm going to be working on is the placement of the letters and the pieces of wood that are going to be on the top and the bottom. So the top wood is going to be 2.5 inches from the top, and then it's going to be 2 inches from the letters, and then that gives me a way to know how much I need to cut off for the longer boards. So now that I've cut the longer boards, I'm just going to take the smaller pieces of wood that I'm going to have at the top and the bottom, and I'm just going to mark off where I need to cut those pieces. Now, all of these measurements will be down below, and I'll also pop them up here in the video so you guys will know your cut sizes. And as always, if you do not have a miter saw, if you buy your wood from Lowe's or Home Depot, they will cut the wood for you. So now I'm going to take some scrap pieces of wood that I have, and I'm going to add them to the back to help keep the wood together. I'm going to be using my clamps to secure the wood in place, and I'm going to use my wood glue and my nail gun to attach those pieces to the back. Now, if you don't have a nail gun, you can just use wood glue and E6000 to do this, or you can just use wood screws to attach this to the back. Now I'll flip my board over, and I'm going to add my front pieces of wood the same way I added the scrap pieces to the back. Going to take my favorite stain, of course, which is dark walnut, and I'm going to start to stain the wood. So real quick, quick, I just want to show you guys that the left side here is a little bit darker than our right. So to fix that, we can just add some ebony stain to the right, or we can just add some mineral spirits to the left to lighten it up. These parts right here are from our wood glue. You want to stain your wood before you add your wood glue, or just be very careful that you don't get it on your wood so you won't have those marks on there. But all in all, this looks good, so we're just going to move on. Now I'm going to start to paint my letters, and I'm going to do 3 coats of paint. Okay, so now I'm going to add the letters, again, making sure that it is 2 inches from the wood at the top and the bottom. I'm going to be adding the letters using my A6000 and also my glue gun. Now I'm just going to use these heavy items that I have. If you have your clamps with you, you can just clamp this wood if you have big enough clamps for that. Or like I'm doing here, you can just set heavy objects on top, and I just let this dry overnight. Now the last step is to add the decorative hardware, and I'm just going to be measuring it at 1 inch out from each side, and I'm going to hammer each one of them with a hammer to our wood. So that is the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below. Let me know what you think. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.